My name is Aura Gonzalez. I'm going to demonstrate how to clean the ears and apply medication to the ears of a dog. You want to put the ear cleaner. You want to make sure that it's not expired or anything like that. And we apply a liberal amount. I know, baby, I know. And we massage the ear to loosen up the debris. And I know you want to check. Hold on. We put a piece of gauze there to catch all the water. There you go. Oh boy. And then you wipe the debris off. Yuck, man. Oh boy. Dogs have a lot of little twisties on their ears. You want to make sure you get the debris off of those. Boy. I'm gonna do it one more time because it was dirty. We don't want to apply medication on a dirty ear. Good boy. I know. Shake it off. Good boy. Alrighty. Now we dry it. Make sure all the debris from the outside of the ear is out. And for the ear medication, make sure your expiration date is good. And they have this long tube, and that is so that you can get to the bottom of the canal. And you want to go all the way down, and then you're gonna squeeze a little amount, and you're gonna massage the ear so that the medication gets all over the ear canal. And that is how you do it.